Hey everybody, Shannon here. Today we're going to change the wiper blades on my car here, the Volkswagen Jetta. Hope you're all excited about that. It's a pretty easy job and I think anyone out there can do it. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is pull up on the wiper, pull it away from the windshield, and then we'll take it off. So just lift it up off of here. Just pull that up there and probably got it. And then we're just going to take this off here, this piece right here. I'm going to pull this back like that, and then we're just going to pop it off. I'll show you here. Okay, we just grab a hold of it and slide it down, and then take the wiper blade and slide it up over the top of that hoop. And then take it away, and now that's what we're going to mount the new blade on. Just put that old blade down there on the hood, and this is the part that we're going to be hooking the new wiper blade onto. So we'll just grab the new wiper blade, and then we'll put that on. For the replacement blades, we're using the Trico Flex. We need two different sizes for the driver's side and passengers, 19 and 21 inches. Okay, we just take the new blade and slide it right up into there, and it snaps right into place, just like that. Okay, and then once you got the blade on, you just push your arm back down into place, just like that. And you're all done. All right, thanks for watching. Keep tuned, YouTubers. Okay, just take the new blade, slide it up into there like we took the old one out, and it goes right into place, easy as pie. Just gotta kind of wiggle it sometimes.